Hello guys and welcome back to my video. Today I am making summer collection. I already have a recipe, so I don't expect a failure. So yeah, I will be making colors from three different shades of blue, and in this mixture of colors I will get I would say some turquoise, blue colors. I'm looking forward of this collection. I have some new different cutters, so stay with me and enjoy the video. Today I want to talk to you about something quiet but really powerful: your inner voice, the real you. The part of you that knows what's true, even when your mind is spinning and the world feels noisy. I have been learning to listen to mine again, and it hasn't always been easy. For a long time, I did what I thought I was supposed to do. I followed the rules, I tried to please people, I ignored the discomfort, and it kind of worked. On the outside, everything looked fine, but inside, something always felt off. Like I wasn't fully here and like I had abandoned myself in little ways, over and over again. And the thing is, when you go against your own truth, even in small moments, it hurts. It's like you split away from yourself. When your outer life doesn't match what's true inside you, and the only way to come back to integrity is to listen. Really listen to the soft, often inconvenient truth that lives deep inside you. Maybe you have that voice too, I'm sure you do. That voice that says, this relationship isn't right, or you don't actually want this job, or maybe just, I need rest, I miss myself. It doesn't yell, it doesn't argue, it just tells the truth, and it waits. So here what I have learned: when you feel lost or stuck or disconnected, it's not because you're broken. It's just that your inner voice is asking for your attention. It's trying to guide you back to yourself. You don't have to make huge changes overnight. Start small. Tell the truth to yourself even if you can't act on it yet. Notice what feels light and what feels heavy. Let your body tell you what's real. So, if you have been feeling disconnected, maybe today is the day you get still. Maybe you put your hand on your heart and you ask, what is true for me right now? One day, I just couldn't pretend anymore. My body was tired, my spirit was heavier than it should have been, and I realized I had to stop lying to myself. I was living out of my integrity. When your outer life doesn't match what's true inside you, and the only way to come back to integrity is to listen. I am baking a cake for today's birthday celebration while my baby is still sleeping. He has a deep sleep, so yeah, I hope I will manage to finish the cake. I think I got it. Maybe today your inner voice is just asking for rest, or for a walk in nature, or for the courage to finally start that thing you keep putting off. Whatever it is, listen. Not with fear, but with curiosity. Because your inner voice, it's not random, it's wise, it's yours. And it's always been there, waiting for you to come back. Thank you for being here with me. I hope this helps you feel a little closer to the real you, the one who's always been there, quiet but unshakable, whole, true.